Hello, this is my new F150. I've had it for about 2 months. It's 2008. This is just the gauges. Right now it has 3,493.8 miles. I got it with 139 miles. Stock radio, no tape, no CD. But here's the inside of it. This is basically the work truck package. It's the XL, 2-wheel drive, standard. There's a cup holder and ashtray. Got a little cool thing to hold remotes and stuff up there. And go outside now. The door. This is a Redbird cab. It has 4 doors. Got a lot more room than the 04 I did. Pop on the hood. Here's underneath. Cold air intake. Turn it from far away there. There's that. So far that I know, you cannot get a cold air intake for a 06, 07, or 08. I think it might just be 07 or 08 for the V6. This is a 4.2 V6. You can't get a cold air intake that I know of for the V6 in 07 or 08. So this is the one that was on my 04 Heritage, and I just kind of had to rig it to get it to work. It works fine, but it also sounds better. I tried doing a video before. I didn't put it on YouTube or anything, but I found out that if I put the camera underneath the hood, you cannot hear anything other than a very loud like sucking noise. It's not the intake, it's just the microphone on it is very sensitive, so I'm not going to start it for you, but actually I will start it. I'm going to do the exhaust sound. The exhaust is nothing special, it's stock. This truck is completely stock except for the cold air intake. So I'm going to start it.